Hello everyone, this is Andrea here, and I am coming at you with a little bit of a plan with me, lay down with me, journal with me, I think should be the title now that I'm thinking about it, in my bullet journal. And I am going to be using some stickers from my shop to do that. I am using this monthly layout, which we do have in the blank version, which is what you see here, but I also do have a grid version as well if you want the assistance with like the lines, or you just kind of like the grid look, which I do. But I just decided to use this one for my first spread. For the deco kit that I'm using, I am using the pages from Princess Academia. These are available a la carte, so you can purchase what you need, and I think that is so fun. So you could either use this for a monthly spread, or you can use it for a weekly spread. You could use it in your reading journal. There is unlimited possibilities here, and I was very much so feeling a little bit like I guess maybe intimidated by this spread, because I feel like for so long I've been planning in my Erin Condren planner, and don't get me wrong, I'm still there, but I feel like there was a formula and we had to stay in a specific box size, and everything just worked a specific way, and that's how you used it for the most part. You could get a little creative, but for the most part, the lines were set that you were staying in. But this, I feel like, has just been very fun for my creative brain in that there are no rules and I could just do whatever, which it feels wrong, I think, but also feels so right. Sounds weird, but maybe you know what I'm talking about if you have been using an Erin Condren or a similar size planner, which don't get me wrong, I'm still loving memory planning. It's been 10 years. I don't believe it's going anywhere for me, but this has just been kind of like a creative outlet for me to be able to just like lay down some spreads and journal and not have any rules and just play around and be silly, which you'll see when I do a flip through this week in real time, which is Hannah's birthday. I did a very silly spread, and I think that it was definitely fun to just sit down, put an audiobook on, and just color in some things, put some pigeons everywhere, and have a good time. And when I look at it, it definitely makes me happy. So with this spread, I am using the monthly sheets, like I said, and I did change up the September page a little bit prior to release. This was kind of like me testing everything out and seeing how I wanted to structure the monthly spread. I did change the mini month that was on the sheet and switch that out for some quotes. I did release a medium, which is about the same size as you'll see on that page, month that you could fill in the dates how you like. And I think that worked out better because of the Monday through Sunday, Sunday through Saturday debacle, which I feel like is a long time struggle in my head as well. My husband, he prefers Sunday through Saturday calendars, and I prefer Monday through Sunday. I just feel like it works better in my brain. So that is the base of the monthly spread. And then on the next page, I wanted to do a mini month calendar, which at the end, I will show you how I ended up switching that out for the new mini month that I came out with. Is actually a medium month because I do plan to do a little bit of a smaller month as well soon. I have so many things being released. It's just, I have so many ideas. Y'all have given me so many ideas, and I just feel like can't stop, won't stop energy when it comes to all of the things that I want to do in my journal and just be creative. And I've also been loving buying stickers for my journal. If you have any suggestions for different deco bits and things, let me know in the comments down below, because I have definitely been on a sticker buying journey. But here is the way that it ended up turning out. And then afterwards, I'm going to show you how it looks whenever I edited the sheets, and I also edited the weekly spread, or the monthly spread, sorry, I'm like losing my mind today, to have more stickers, and I added in some more personal things that are happening in the month of September. But first I'll show you what is left of the sheets. So this sheet is staying the same. the monthly, and then this is the deco sheet. I just had a couple of little deco bits left, and then I had 3 washi strips left, as well as a couple of things on the September monthly. But let's go ahead and show you what it looks like whenever I put in my personal things, some of my personal events that are happening, and use some of the stickers from the other September sheet that I released. I will link all of the sheets down below just to make it easier for you. And then I also did, like I said, change up the monthly there, and I think that this spread turned out so stinking cute. So that is everything for this month, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye!